And then I was selected as the head of the SARC Energy Center governing body. Including that tour, I already visited many countries for my professional issues and government services. But this time, our tour got the highest attention of the media, in social media and electronic media and others. I think both of us know why it is, why these tourists get so coverage in our locality, in abroad also. This is one of the things that we need to keep in our mind, that this tour is not the usual one, it is a special one. And why it is a special one, we'll get to know day by day why it is a special one. At the outset of my speech, I would like to express my gratitude to the people of Pakistan, government of Pakistan, Rector and SPP, DG and nipa and others, and esteemed colleagues and friends. You know, the team that came from Bangladesh is a different set of people. Why I'm saying a different set of people? There is no one from politics, no one from diplomats. It's basically the team of bureaucrats. It covers the only joint secretaries and additional secretaries. In our country, it is said that policy starts from joint secretaries. So these people came here, they came here to basically understand the policies and to share our experiences. One thing I would like to express, I will say some points, and I hope this esteemed gathering can link the dots and understand what I want to say. To our view, this is the tour of bridging two bridges. In our country, it says that bureaucrats are the bridge that connects the peoples with the politicians and with the states. So bureaucrats of a country basically bridge for the society. It can be a nervous system of the society, of the country. So here we are to connecting the two bridges of the two countries to understand how the bridge of Pakistan is playing the role and the bridges of Bangladesh is playing the role, and what we can learn and what we can share. So this is the basic expectation of our tour. Okay. You know, Bangladesh, just a few years back, Bangladesh already faced a big revolution of change. Now the bureaucracy of Bangladesh is trying to listen the footstep of the demand of the people that are heading to our door. We are trying to give our highest effort to provide the professional service to our people. And we think that to do that, we need to know, we need to learn from other society and other country also. So this is one of the reasons that we came here to learn from you. Yesterday, we met in a gathering in Fatima Jinnah Hall, and there was a slogan said, "Two country, one nation." Then our yesterday spokesman rephrases that. He said it is two country, one notion. Notion means notion of development, notion of peace, integration, cooperation, so that we can work together for the development of the region, of the global issues, and the countries itself. So our purpose is to gather some points to learn something from the bureaucrats of Pakistan, and to learn how they introduce AI here, how introduce innovation here, how they are so making so progress, and at the same time we can share our achievements also. We are very impressed to see the facilities of this NIPA center, especially thanks to two things: the way you shown us the Sufism and the culture. These are the most deepest root of a country. If you want to know the country, you have to go to the culture of the country, how they are working and why they are working, why they are united and why they are not united. It depends on the culture of the society. And Sufism is the spiritual culture of the country. So we are very grateful that you show us the Sufism and at the same time culture of the country. You know, our present government has the slogan of prioritizing the need, interest of Bangladesh. So the way government is expressing this view, prioritizing the optimal interest of Bangladesh, considering the regional and global aggregate interest. So we always do for the interest of our country, keeping in mind that it should be produce the aggregate benefit of the region and the global issues. We believe on mutual trust, sharing the resources so that we can produce the synergy. You know, if you see around the world, the dadagiri is almost ending up. It is evaporating. No more issues can be prevailing that way. Weeks are getting together. They are working together to make a better future. So it is one of the things we want to learn. Yes, it is true that there are some achievements of Bangladesh that can be transmitted to the highest level of the global stage, such as disaster management, NGOs, people's choice, and microcredit. At the same time, you have to understand that the population size of Bangladesh and Pakistan are more or less same, but the geographical size is not that much comparable. That how Bangladesh is feeding so many people, so highly dense people by a small land. It is one of the things we can share the way Bangladesh is moving toward. Yesterday there was a question that how Bangladesh is making progress in women empowerment. You will be surprised to know that in 1990 we came into parliamentary system, and till the last year, till the 3 months ago, in between 1990 to in this period, we were in the female prime minister. So you can understand that why female empowerment is so good in Bangladesh, because our prime ministers all were female. At the end, I want to say something that is, we wish that there will be a very good transformation of Kailash, and the transformation of Kailash will teach us how to make progress, how to hear the voice of the don'ts, and we can understand that there are a big scope of working together hand to hand so that the people who do not have anything, who do not have voice, who are not able to come to the highest approach, so we can work for them. And it is the role of a bureaucrat, it is the duty of a bureaucrat. So bureaucrats of Bangladesh are ready to learn anything from anywhere so that we can serve our nation and we can do something good for the region and for the whole world. With this few words, I would like to express my gratitude to people of Pakistan and to inviting us and to give me the privilege to say something in front of you. Thank you, sir.